Ano naman, I've been practicing with the team for more than a month na yata. And good to go na naman. Siguro, my next game I'll be playing.
Ba't hindi ka pa naglaro?
Ano lang, kasi gusto lang namin yung surgery ko kasi was December 4, so parang mag-full year na kami for ano. It's more of ano lang naman na protocol lang.
May natakot ba? May worries, concern?
To be honest, sa practice parang okay na eh. Siguro sa game ko malalaman eh. Excited ako pero I don't know what to expect sa game eh. Kasi third time ko na to, so I honestly don't know. But I'm just grateful na makakabalik ako.
Kailan ka nag-on-court pa ng practice?
Nag-on-court na ako, non-contact siguro by August pa lang. Pero full contact ako October 31. Hindi ako sure kung si Alain ba tatlo. Pero wala akong kilala na reason na
Nahirap?
super hirap. Pero sa may God's grace, ano naman, naging supportive naman sa akin yung team. Kahit si Coach Rick sabi sa akin na just take my time, mag-100% ako, tsaka ako bumalik. And yun naman, alam ko mahirap pero ang dami na naging blessing along the way. Even before that, I mean, there was the Asian Games namin bago ko na injury. After that, nagkaroon kami ng baby daughter. So, in hindsight, I still consider it as a blessing kasi, yun na, habang nagre-recover ako, I had time sa pregnancy ni Selena. At the same time, pag-alaga din ako ng baby for more than 2